Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to my KRONOS trials. In today's video, we're going to see what it takes to get the Master Lock model number 141D opened up utilizing the KRONOS electric lockpicking gun. This is a really fun tool that can open up a lot of the cheaper locks in just a few seconds. So before we get started, we're going to take a very quick look at the key. What you can do is see that the key doesn't have the world's greatest bitting, and that's certainly going to play into this lock being a little bit easier to open up. But as we insert the key, we can see that it opens up the lock perfectly, and now we're going to get started with trying to open up this lock utilizing the KRONOS electric lockpicking gun. So we're going to start off with some really light bottom of the keyway tension, and then we're going to start to align our KRONOS electric lockpicking gun right down the middle of the keyway, so we're not going to be touching any of the warding. We're going to make sure it's in far enough so it's going to hit all of the pins. Now we're going to try to open it up in 1, 2, 3. We did not get it open on the first try, so we're going to try one more time. 1, 2, 3. And now we got it opened up on our second try. So as you can tell, the KRONOS electric lockpicking gun can be quite effective if you just have a little bit of patience, a little bit of practice, and it is a really great tool to be able to open up some of the cheaper locks. I am really interested to see how many different locks I'm going to be able to get open throughout this series, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that checked this out today. If you have any questions or suggestions, as always, please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.